you for your interest in the VariRef cover for our SCHMIDT and HAENSCH VariRef refractometer. Different inserts can be chosen and also changed according to your application needs. For more info, please check the SCHMIDT and HAENSCH website. This video shows you how to change the insert. All pots except the Allen key are included in the delivery. Place the springs in the notches. Place the insert in the recess. Correctly align the metal ring. Finally, screw in the 6 screws. To tighten the screws, you need a 1.5 mm Allen key. SCHMIDT and HAENSCH, excellence in precision measurement.